What exactly is a bridge or squeeze page in affiliate marketing, and why is it that you absolutely need one in order to be successful? I'm going to tell you in this video. Not having a bridge or squeeze page is a mistake I see a lot of affiliate marketers making, especially when they just start out. In fact, I made this same mistake. Let me tell you about what happened, actually. Let me start with that. I'll share a story. So about 8 or 9 years ago, I was doing Amazon affiliates with a couple of friends, and we had built a subreddit up to 100,000 subscribers. So we were plugging affiliate links in there, and we were doing very, very well. 5 figures each a month. So we were crushing it for about 4 or 5 months. And at that point, I actually needed a new car. Mine just gave out. So I said, what the hell? I went to the Mercedes dealership, bought one cash. And let me tell you, the next morning, I woke up and I log into Reddit and it's like, hey, something seems off. Something seems different. Long story short, to my horror, we were shadow banned. What that means is that our subreddit with 100,000 subscribers vanished overnight. That's right. All those earnings gone. And I had just bought a Mercedes cash the day before. Had I known that, obviously I wouldn't have done that. But hey, such is the mistakes of youth. I suppose I should mention the reason we got banned is because Reddit changed it so that they deeply frowned on affiliate links, and they were just banning anything that was filled with affiliate links. And it was cool. The people we were serving loved it, right? Because we were actually giving them value. We were finding really cool, unique things on Amazon. It was called the best of Amazon. So we were doing a lot of research to share really cool products with them on Amazon. Everyone was getting value out of it. It wasn't like we were spammers. If it grew to 100,000, you can tell that people love something if it grows that large. But the point being is Reddit changed the rules, and that is a problem, and that is the thing I want to touch on here, guys. This is the reason why you have a bridging page. Had we found another way to maintain a relationship with those 100,000 subscribers, we could have transitioned to another system, because those 100,000 people, I have no idea who they are. It's gone. And that is the one thing about affiliate marketing. Rarely do you own the platform. When I say platform, I mean the traffic source, whether that's YouTube, Facebook, Reddit in that example, or whatnot. And you also obviously don't own the affiliate product. So I don't own Amazon. I don't own Reddit. I was using them together, and the people were really customers of Amazon and subscribers of Reddit. And I was cut out of the equation. So the mistake I made is that I did not create a bridge page. But let's jump right into it. What exactly is this bridging system, and how does it work, and how do we build one? So let's just say we are promoting Evernote as an affiliate product. So Evernote is a note-taking app. I personally love it, but this is just an example. Personally, I really can't recommend Evernote because there are a lot of operating system level tools that do the same thing for free now. But I've been using Evernote for like 7 or 8 years, so I have so much data in there that I still continue to pay for it. So I'm not promoting Evernote. It's just an example for you guys. Let's just say I get an affiliate link, and this is my affiliate link from the affiliate system. And if I send someone as a marketer directly to this affiliate link, so let's just say I have a YouTube video and then I put, hey, try Evernote in there. Now, you can see here that this is a jarring experience. Like, someone shows up here and they're like, well, okay, well, I guess I'll sign up for free. I can do this, I can do that. Even if you explained in your content, hey, so go in there and sign up. In a way, it's a jarring experience, right? So that's the first thing. Now, this is a little bit more straightforward, but you could imagine if you were selling something that's much more expensive. So that's the first problem, the more user experience problem. But the larger problem here is that I have cut myself out of the equation. So let's just say it's a link in my Facebook group. Let's say you put it in a forum somewhere in KARTRA, or let's say you have a website, like whatever your traffic source is. By you linking directly to Evernote instead of building that relationship, just like in the Amazon and Reddit example, I can never communicate with this person ever again. So the smarter approach would be, rather than sending someone directly to this affiliate page, what you want to do is you want to build something called a bridge or a squeeze page. Okay, so how do we build this lead capture mechanism, a squeeze page or a bridge page? So I'm using a tool called KARTRA here, and if you follow my channel, you know I love it. Basically, KARTRA is an all-in-one marketing and business operations tool. So you can build funnels, landing pages, forms, memberships, host videos, has a calendar, help desk. It's awesome. I run all my businesses in it. So if you guys want to follow along with what I'm doing, I will drop a link in the description. If you haven't tried KARTRA before, you can get a 14-day trial for just $1. So I recommend you guys check it out. Value-wise, I think it's the best. And in this tutorial, I'm obviously going to be using KARTRA. So if you have another system, I suppose you could follow along. The steps may be similar. So with KARTRA, you get pre-built templates. So let's just pick one here. My recommendation is always to keep it simple. We can preview it here, and this is perfect because it's really simple, right? You don't want to inundate people with, too much with information and have them second guess things and have too many things to do. It causes too much what's called in the UX industry cognitive load, right? You want to guide people very systematically and be helpful and not overwhelm them, because that's not a good experience for your users. And the most important thing is your users are king or queen. So you got to provide a really good experience for them. Competition's big, so you got to provide a good experience. It's not negotiable. Example squeeze, let's call it that. Let's just say KARTRA and then KARTRA, blah. It doesn't matter. What I'm doing here is with KARTRA, you can organize things. You can set a site, you can set a category, but it's just an organization thing. So with a few button clicks, it imports right away. And now we can start customizing this. I also have a video on how to customize landing pages on my channel. Check that out. But basically, you just click in here and you can edit anything you want, drag and drop. You can add in new sections. But the beauty here is we already have it done for you, right? So again, if we're promoting Evernote, and let's say our theme is organization, in our headline, we'd want to pitch the benefits, right? Like we want to say, never forget anything, store information on all of your devices at once. You want to give it a good pitch, right? So you would put that in here, and that message continuity would be coming from your traffic source. So you want that here. And video is really powerful. And again, what's awesome about KARTRA is professional video is included. In fact, you can add forms in it, you can add links in it, you could add all kinds of stuff, and it's all integrated. So unlike a YouTube video that's going to navigate them away and then they're going to go into the YouTube tunnel, right? So anyways, so you can easily add and edit videos. And in this video, what you want to be saying is, hey guys, my name is whatever. Let me tell you why I use Evernote in my business. I really love it because I find that I can store my whole life in it. It's on my phone, it's on my laptop, it's on my desktop. I can put images, I can make voice notes, and you explain how it helps you be more organized in your personal life or your business or your fitness, whatever your niche is, and why legitimately this product Evernote is useful for you. And then what you want to do is, and this is where the bridging comes and says, in fact, guys, I have 10 organization tips that can help you get the most out of Evernote. Enter your information to get that guide and get a link to the page where you can get Evernote for free. So to recap, you're going to explain why you use Evernote and then say, enter your email below to get the free guide, as well as get taken directly to this page where you can sign up for free. So you're really helping people out. You're taking them to that page so they don't have to dig and find that sign up page. As well, you are giving them some extra stuff. So now you've bridged the gap. And here's where the power is. Then ask yourself this. If you were the one going through this, could you not tomorrow then say, hey, hope you're enjoying Evernote. By the way, here are 5 other productivity tools I think you would like. Now you've built a relationship with them and you can continue with that, right? So had I done that with Amazon at that time, 8 or 9 years ago, when when I was just starting out as an affiliate marketer, it would have been a different story. And just to finish this tutorial here, so you would edit all of this right here. You'd set this form up in KARTRA so that it would capture your emails and then it would directly link them to either the page, or you'd have a thank you page where you could even have an upsell if you want, right? You could have a thank you page like, hey, click here to sign up for Evernote. By the way, here's my thing. So you could give them another free offer, you could sell them something. And because everything is tagged in KARTRA, you can actually put them into that email sequence right away. So you can see, you can build some really amazing emails with logic and everything. I have a whole video on it if you guys are interested in how to do that with KARTRA, but we went over a lot. I just want to recap it really quickly. So what you want to do is never send someone directly to the affiliate offer from your traffic source. What you want to do is you want to bridge the gap, provide additional value while bridging it through that squeeze page, capture their email address, then take them to that offer while you also start to build a relationship with this person. And as you learn more about your audience's problems, you're going to have other products and services you can offer them that will help solve their problem. And it also insulates you from the problem of everything disappearing, because the only thing you can own as an affiliate marketer, this is the most important thing, the only thing you can own is your email list. No one can take your email list away from you. Even Gmail, let's say you use Gmail or something, you can export your list. You own your contacts. And when I say own, what I mean is those are people who willingly agreed to hear from you. That's value. You could buy 1,000 emails from anywhere, right? Or you could do solo ads or some garbage like that. But the point is, that's different because these aren't real people who know who you are and have agreed to hear from you. This is a bit of a different video. Wanted to personalize it for you guys. Hopefully you can learn from my mistake, and I certainly have, and I've adapted all my affiliate marketing since then. It was a harsh pill to swallow, so hopefully you don't make that mistake. In fact, I have some amazing resources down below with even more best practices and learnings to help you guys avoid a lot of these common mistakes, so check that out down below. And again, if you want to try KARTRA, that's also linked down below. I put a lot of time into these videos, so if you found this information useful, I'd really appreciate a like. It's free for you, but it means a lot to me. Also consider subscribing if the passive income, marketing automation, entrepreneurship are topics you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.